Well-made thick plastic came all wired up complete with inline fuse. It was easy to disassemble and install each part individually into a battery box. Super bright, maybe too bright. I have it monitoring a solar system with a controller and it matches the output of the controller. Great product. Exceeded expectations on quality and performance. Expands 12-volt input options and gives some indication of battery condition for trailer. Works great. Easy to hook up. Excellent. Surprised it was already wired up. Just had to connect to the 12 VDC battery. Both USB port work. The power indicator works. The 12 VDC socket works. Just charged battery shows 13.1 VDC. Measured with meter 13.06 VDC, so this is very good. USB 5.13 VDC unloaded. Used a USB tester to read the voltage. Perfect for my DIY power project. The fuse in my fuse holder is 10A. Got this for my 12V lithium backup battery bank. All the ports work as they should, and having an on-off switch so that it isn't draining power when not in use is perfect for my needs. Easy to install with a jigsaw and screw gun. Clean professional look. Wiring was intuitive and easy to understand and modify to suit needs. Would buy again if a new project idea comes up. Click link in description for more reviews.